Affiliate marketing is not a new player in the game, but the rise of influencers in the digital space has led to an innovative twist: influencer affiliate marketing. This approach is so powerful that an impressive 81% of brands globally are embracing affiliate programs. If this sounds complicated to you, don't worry. In this video, we're breaking it down for you. We'll explore the concept of influencer affiliate marketing and give you a roadmap of how to craft a winning strategy. We'll provide you with valuable tips on everything from finding the right influencers to creating engaging content, and even using the best tools to manage your partnerships. Are you ready to harness the power of influencer affiliate marketing and take your brand to new heights? Let's dive in. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a system where a person earns money by promoting a company's products or services. They share a special link online, and if someone buys through that link, they get a commission. It's a simple way for companies to sell more products and for individuals to make money from their recommendations. Influencer affiliate marketing is more than just reaching a larger audience. It also serves as your tool for gaining social proof, ramping up engagement, and establishing your brand as credible and authentic. All of these factors collude to boost your conversions and pump up your sales. Now, you might be wondering, isn't this just the same thing as regular influencer marketing? Not exactly. While both approaches use brand ambassadors, influencer affiliate marketing gears towards gaining new customers, while regular influencer marketing is about fostering long-term relationships to boost brand loyalty. That's why it's strategic to integrate both methods into your marketing plan. Now, let's see some influencer affiliate marketing tips to build your strategy. Creating a successful influencer affiliate marketing strategy is like piecing together a puzzle. The pieces are the right influencers, an engaging content, the unique benefits of each platform, and tracking your results. You should put these pieces together to form your winning strategy. Let's focus on the first piece of the puzzle: connecting with the right influencers in the right way. This isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. The perfect fit depends on your industry, your target market, and the nature of your affiliate marketing campaign. So be sure to do your homework to ensure that the influencer that you choose aligns with your brand's profile, appeals to the right audience, and has impressive creative abilities. How can you do this? By following the next steps. Number 1, create engaging content. In the realm of influencer affiliate marketing, content is your magic wand. With creative and engaging content, you can stir up excitement around your product and captivate your target audience. 2, leverage influencer networks. Next, your influencer affiliate marketing campaign should be present where your target audience is. Each social network has its unique strengths, so tailor your content to match the platform's vibe. Number 3, measure your campaign's effectiveness. Once your campaign has taken off, you need to keep an eye on performance metrics. This will help you gauge whether you're hitting the mark with your audience and if your content is generating engagement, or if you should make some changes in your strategy. Click here if you want to learn how to track your influencer marketing campaigns. We'll also leave it at the end of the video too, so that you can check it out later. Number 4, diversify your affiliate program. A diversity of affiliates can help you tap into new audiences. So, while working with 1 or 2 affiliates is a good start, expanding to include multiple content creators from different niches can be a game changer. Number 5, use an influencer relationship management software. Finally, managing multiple affiliates can seem like a juggling act, but don't worry, that's where an influencer relationship management software steps in. These tools, like Influencity's IRM, can help you keep track of each stage of your influencer collaboration, keeping your entire team in the loop. We'll leave you a link in the description box below so that you can check it out and try it for free. Now that we've pieced together the puzzle, you're ready to conquer the world of influencer affiliate marketing. What tips would you have about building an effective strategy using influencer affiliate marketing? Tell us in the comments below. Do you want to learn how to track your influencer marketing campaigns? Click on the video on the screen now to find out. And don't miss our influencer marketing step-by-step guide where you'll learn the basics of influencer marketing. I'm sure you'll find it very useful. Stay tuned for our next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on everything related to influencer marketing. Until next time.